Alright guys, welcome back to Nobody's Corner. And I'm sure you can tell by what's on my bar top that this is a multi-tool overview. And you can see that sideways, but my camera setup doesn't really lend itself to very much right now. Trying to get a better perch. Got two Leathermans on here, and apparently a couple of cats trying to kill each other back there. It's an outdoor bar, guys. Sorry. Alright, so let's go with the smaller one of the two. That's the Super Tool. And this is a Wave that I purchased about 10 years ago, based on the recommendation of Senor Fancy. As you can see, Leatherman Wave. I got this for the steal of a deal at a pawn shop. I kid you not. $11. You look these up on the internet or go to your local sporting goods store and see if you can get one of these for $11. I think you're going to have a hard go of it. But if you are on a tight budget, like I was, I found this with oil still on the blades. I think somebody's girlfriend decided to get rid of her boyfriend's things after she found him doing something. Let's just say that, because this thing was brand new. It's got some oil spot. I haven't pulled this out of its sheath in a while because I carried this one. So I'm sorry about the rust. But here's the main blade. Still very sharp. Just a little bit of rust spots. Beautiful blade. Well, apparently I tried to destroy the camera. Let's see. This one's a little bit more rusted. This is the serrated blade, kind of a rescue type, cut through safety belt or webbing type of blade. Very good, nice thumb hole for good purchase on there. Do one-handed actuation there. Try not to kill the blade on the table. And save that for later. Of course, your file. Which I do my nails all the time. It's got the metal file over here. Okay. Try not to kill the camera again. This is one of the best things that's included in your Leathermans. A real saw. Forgive the jet overhead. I'm in the flight path of our local airport. But this still has some wood pulp from the last time I used it, which was God knows how long ago. Years probably. But you can chop down saplings and medium-sized trees with that. I mean, medium-sized branches with that. There's your plier head, the Leatherman logo on it on both sides. Very good set of pliers. Served me well until I got this guy. I'm gonna make a separate video on that guy. You've got all your tools in here. Some of them are sticking now. Pull these out. Got your flat blade, of course. And this I actually miss because the Super Tool does not have it. This is, of course, your micro driver with the micro Phillips and a flathead. Those come in handy when you need to adjust your sunglasses or your prescription glasses. And, oh dear, those scissors are quite embedded in there. I'm going to have to oil this and come back to that. And your 2D flattened screwdriver, which is actually pretty good. Again, with the flat and the Phillips. And along with your cap lifter and can opener. Use that to open a sardine can one time, because we planned on having sardines and we didn't bring a can opener. I had this though. I know some of you are probably throwing up by the thought of eating sardines willingly, but to each their own, I guess. You've got your ruler in metric and inches. Put that together. To measure across. See, graduation's all the way across. Not the best, but it's better than nothing if you got no ruler. Folds up. Again, this is probably about 8 to 10 years old. This sheath has seen better days. Look at that. This was carried on a daily basis until I was given this. And even though I got a great deal on this for 11 bucks, my Super Tool was free. So I've been very fortunate. The sheath actually has some spots in here for additional bits and additional tools, but it's on its way out, as you can see. Although I do like this feature of it, that you might call it a drainage hole, but you can carry it in the sheath already set up as pliers. So if you're using them like pliers, it's just, and that Velcro's still working. Pull them out. You don't have to be folding and unfolding all the time. Get that the right way. And this is still my favorite brand of Multitool. That's just a little overview. Oh, look at that. I don't think I'd ever noticed that pocket. We'll be back with the Super Tool. Again, this is Nobody's Corner.